Today, I'm going to teach you how to rebill an expense to a client on Freshbooks. This feature is incredibly useful when you've paid for something on behalf of a client and need to invoice them for that cost later. First, head over to the Freshbooks website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Freshbooks dashboard. Look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find a button labeled Create New. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your starting point for creating all sorts of new items in Freshbooks, from invoices to expenses. After clicking Create New, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Expense. This takes you directly into the expense creation workflow, where you'll be able to track costs and assign them to specific clients for rebilling. You'll now be directed to the expense creation page, and this is where you'll fill in all the relevant details. Start by entering a merchant name under the Add Merchant field. This helps you keep track of where the expense came from. Next, select the appropriate category for this expense from the category dropdown. This could be things like travel, office supplies, or consulting fees, depending on your business structure. After that, add the grand total of the expense in the designated field, making sure the amount is accurate. Then, include any applicable taxes and add a description that explains what the expense was for. This description is important because it will help both you and your client understand what's being billed. Now comes the crucial part for rebilling. Look for the section labeled Assign to Client. Here, you'll enter the name or contact of the client you wish to rebill this expense to. Once you've selected the client, you'll see a checkbox that says Mark as billable. Make sure to check this box, as this is what allows the expense to appear on future invoices for that client. After checking the box, click Done to confirm your selection. Once you've filled in all the expense details and assigned it to a client for rebilling, head to the top right corner of your screen and click Save. This finalizes the expense and stores it in your Freshbooks account. The expense is now ready to be included in an invoice to your client, ensuring you get reimbursed for costs paid on their behalf. And that's it. You've successfully set up an expense to rebill to a client in Freshbooks, making it easy to track and recover business costs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.